So welcome student, after long gap come to our syllabus. Our top chapter is polymer. Okay, now polymers and polymerization, that was our chapter that we have already started and we have already covered some portion, finished. Okay, some preparation of low density polymer, high density polymer, and in continuation with that I want to discuss next polymer, that is Teflon. Teflon, we know Teflon. Teflon, okay, it is used for coating. Okay, you might have heard this word in regarding car coating. Okay, Teflon. So in short it is also called as polytetrafluoroethene. Okay, PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene polymer. Poly, chemically it is known as polytetrafluoroethylene polymer. Okay, polymer. Okay, this is very important polymer, polytetrafluoroethylene polymer, and this polymer is prepared from monomers tetrafluoroethene or ethylene. Tetrafluoroethene or ethylene. So this is, we know ethylene molecule, CH2 double bond CH2, and from this ethylene molecule if we replace all these 4 hydrogen by 4 fluorine atom, fluorine, okay, then we get this, that is known as tetrafluoroethylene. This is tetrafluoroethylene molecule. Okay, from these monomers Teflon is prepared. Okay, Teflon is going to prepared by the polymerization of tetrafluoroethylene in presence of some catalyst. Okay, in some presence of some catalyst and some condition. Okay, that will give Teflon. Okay, I will write here reaction. Now see, for the preparation of this Teflon or polytetrafluoroethylene polymer, we have to use CF2 double bond CF2, that is tetrafluoroethylene. Okay, these monomers we have to use n number of monomers, and this high temperature heating at high temperature. Okay, under high pressure and catalyst such as hydrogen peroxide or oxygen, these are the free radical initiator. The catalyst used in this reaction are free radical initiator, because this reaction, whatever reaction taking place, is a free radical reaction. It follow free radical mechanism, means during this reaction free radical going to produce and then chain reaction. Okay, and for this we have to use catalyst H2O2 or oxygen, and high pressure is also required, high temperature is also required. Okay, so during this polymerization reaction, this tetrafluoroethylene molecule undergo free radical reaction and get polymerized to give this type of polymer, n number. This polymer is known as PTFE polymer or Teflon. So this is the simple method for the preparation of Teflon. What we have to do in this preparation? Take tetrafluoroethylene, n number of tetrafluoroethylene molecule. This is a gas. This exists in gaseous state at room temperature. Okay, we have to take this. Then under this condition, high pressure, catalyst and high temperature undergoes free radical mechanism, free radical polymerization reaction and going to form Teflon. So this is the simple method for the preparation of the Teflon. And in this reaction, now this polymer is chemically inert, chemically very inert. Therefore, means most of the chemical will not going to react with this, and it is stable at high temperature also. Stable at high temperature. High temperature means, therefore, that's why it is used as a coating material. We know what is the main use of this Teflon. Teflon is a coating material. Frying pans, cooking pans, all these pans are coated with Teflon. Whatever the black portion is present, deposited on that pan, that is Teflon, because chemically inert, stable at high temperature, and it will not going to react with many chemical reagent. That's why it is used. Again, so coating purpose. Then for production of I think wall, seat cover and many application of this Teflon. Okay, so student, go through this very simple topic, Teflon, polytetrafluoroethylene polymer, and this is preparation, very simple. Okay, so in next class we will discuss one more polymer. Thank you.